Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to distribute Krishna Prema, which is the most rare spiritual wealth, the most rare wealth of the spiritual sky. This wealth is rare even for Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, even for Lakshmi Devi. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to distribute that wealth, Krishna Prema, to anyone and everyone. And he did that. But he did it only throughout the subcontinent of India. But he makes a prediction that this Krishna Consciousness movement, that is Krishna Prema, will be distributed all over the world. Just for making it available to this world, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has been considered to be the most munificent appearance of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Namo maha-vadanyaya, krishna Prema Pradayate. He is maha-vadanya because he is distributing Krishna Prema, Krishna Prema Pradayate.